This SBM video tutorial will cover using application references. You create references to make an association in your process app to a table, field, or other design element in your application contained in another process app. However, you cannot use these elements until you create an application reference to that application containing those elements. Reasons why you may want to use this is to utilize post or subtask transitions, where you send an item, create an item in a referenced application, or to use relational fields to reference an item in another application, or to use a global process app so you can reference things in tables in that global process app, such as contacts and companies. In this example process app here, you will find the references located at the top of the App Explorer. You can expand this to see any applications that you have referenced. To create a new one, simply right-click References and select Add Application Reference. The Add Application Reference window will come up where you can open up an application that is either stored in your local cache, or if you want to get the latest published version, select Repository. We will open up this application here. If you expand the application, you will see all the elements available within that referenced application. Since this is now loaded, we can go ahead and create a post or subtask transition if we wish to create a new item in that referenced application. If you go to the property editor of your post or subtask transition, go to the Post Options filter. Here you'll be able to select the referenced application you want to post into. And then you can select the table within the referenced application you wish to post to. For more information on how to configure the remaining properties of a post or subtask transition, please refer to the Composer Guide. If you wish to create a relational field, go to the Data Design section of Composer. We'll add a single relational field. And in the Property Editor, you can go to the Options tab. Select the application you wish to reference an item from, and again, the table. We can also add a reference to the Global Process app to gain access to the tables such as the company or contacts table. Once this reference is created, system fields such as the company or contact field will now be valid and usable. You can see these are pre-configured to target the Global Process app. At the top, you'll notice these red X's on some of the referenced applications. This means that the relationship to that referenced application is not valid or broken, possibly due to the fact that this was created when it was valid, but the reference application was later deleted. You can always resolve these if the application is in the repository, but if you no longer use it, you can always select Ignore Reference.